Among the 8,000 marine invertebrate species inhabiting the oceans, cephalopods stand out as the largest, most lethal, and most intelligent. This class of advanced mollusks includes octopuses, squid, cuttlefish, and the enigmatic nautilus. Known for their graceful movements, dynamic color-changing abilities, and complex brains, cephalopods are among the most fascinating and significant creatures in our seas. The giant squid, the largest of them all, can stretch longer than a school bus, while the smallest species could comfortably sit on the tip of your finger. Let's dive deeper into the world of these extraordinary and often otherworldly invertebrates. Let's first define what makes an animal a cephalopod. It is the most morphologically and behaviorally complex class of mollusks. The term cephalopoda translates to head-foot, referring to the complete fusion of the head and foot. The basic body structure of a cephalopod includes a pair of large, sophisticated eyes, a mantle, a funnel used for propulsion, and a ring of arms surrounding a central mouth, equipped with a sharp, parrot-like beak. It is these arms, combined with their strength and agility, that contribute to the fearsome reputation of cephalopods. The 8 arms of octopuses are lined with hundreds of suckers, which can be moved independently. These allow the animal to touch, smell, and manipulate objects. Octopuses have been observed using them to open clamshells and pick up objects to use as protection. The only example of invertebrates using tools. There are no bones in the arms or body of an octopus, so they are very flexible, allowing them to fit into very small crevices. Similar to the octopus, many squid possess 8 arms but with 2 extra appendages, known as tentacles. These tend to be far longer than the rest of the arms, allowing squid to capture faraway prey using their unique ability to extend and retract the tentacles. In addition to possessing useful appendages, cephalopods exhibit a number of other adaptations to help them survive. In the deep sea, many are able to light up in vibrant colors via the fascinating process of bioluminescence. Their eerie glow, startling flashes, or syncopated blinking open up a world of advantages, allowing them to communicate, find partners, distract predators, and lure prey. For example, firefly squid contain a chemical called luciferin, which lights up when it comes into contact with oxygen. Thus, they can carefully monitor their chemistry to control when they light up, as well as the intensity of the light. In doing so, they exhibit counter-illumination, producing light at a brightness that matches the ambient light around them. This makes them invisible to predators. A similar adaptation is found in cephalopods with the ability to change the color of their skin in the blink of an eye. This is made possible by the thousands of pigment-filled cells that cover the entire body, called chromatophores. Within each chromatophore, muscles and nerves control elastic, pigment-filled sacs. When muscles contract, the sacs expand, revealing vibrant pigments. When the muscles relax, the sacs shrink once more, concealing these pigments. Like counter-illumination, this is used as an advanced form of camouflage. Octopuses can even change the texture of their skin by controlling the size of projections on their skin, called papillae, allowing them to resemble algae or coral and hide in plain sight. Far stranger is the behavior known as mimicry, when certain cephalopods, like the mimic octopus, imitate other animals. This species has been observed disguising itself as up to 15 different animals, from crinoids to lionfish and sea snakes. When it swims along the sea floor, it adopts the flounder position, imitating the pale flatfish in both appearance and behavior. This is a clever trick. By mimicking its own predators, the octopus will be left alone by those animals, and its chances of survival are increased. Sometimes cephalopods use their color-changing powers not to blend in, but to stand out. Cuttlefish engage in a courtship display that rivals birds of paradise, the unique anatomy of the nautilus. Cephalopods are an incredibly diverse group of organisms, and there are a number of species with unique morphologies that stand out among the rest. Most peculiar is the nautilus, the only living cephalopod whose bony body structure is externalized as a shell, a feature that endures from an ancient lineage of shelled cephalopods that ruled the seas 200 million years ago. In deeper waters, a phenomenon known as deep-sea gigantism is prevalent in cephalopods, a feature that has inspired myths of sea monsters like the mighty tentacled kraken. This is the Magnapinna squid. Seen here in footage recorded at a deep oil drilling site, it is an elusive and otherworldly creature. The specimens in the few recordings captured look very distinct from all previously known squids. Their arms and tentacles are of the same length, like in extinct belemnites. Their appendages are held perpendicular to the body, creating peculiar elbow-like features. And the length of their tentacles is unparalleled, reaching up to 20 times the length of their mantle. Based on video evidence, Magnapinna squid can grow to 8 meters or 26 feet long. Another example of gigantism is the 2-meter, 6 feet long Humboldt squid, hunting in packs at 700 meters, 2,300 feet below the surface. The giant squid, at 18 meters, 59 feet long, is one of the largest invertebrates on the planet, exceeded only by the colossal squid. Growing so large is an advantage in the nutrient-poor deep sea, for it allows these animals to be more efficient and lose less energy to their surroundings. Cephalopods have a key role to play in the marine ecosystem. Their intelligence allows them to be cunning predators, consuming anything from crustaceans to fish and other cephalopods. They are well adapted to such a lifestyle, having evolved special tools like a sharp beak used to chop prey into tiny pieces. Within the beak, a tongue-like radula lined with tiny teeth can break open shellfish. But in addition to their role as predators in the food web, the soft bodies of cephalopods make them ideal prey for an abundance of creatures, including sharks, bony fish, and the deep-diving sperm whale which hunts the elusive giant squid in the deep sea. Cephalopods are truly extraordinary creatures. Their exceptional vision and stealth make them apex predators. Equipped with flexible tentacles, advanced eyesight, and camouflage skills that surpass those of any other animal, their abundance and diversity can be attributed to their unmatched intelligence in the invertebrate world. To explore more about the deep sea and visualize just how deep these fascinating creatures reside,